Hi, I'm Anastasia from GARDENWORKS, and I'm here to give you a few tips and tricks to set you up for success with my favorite crop, tomatoes. So we've got a few different types of tomatoes here. These guys are indeterminate, so they're just going to get really tall. I've got a cherry and a grape tomato here. The other variety I've got is an indigo rose, which is a determinate tomato, meaning it's going to stay more like a bush, and it's got a slightly larger tomato. So to have success with your tomatoes, one of the most important things to consider is choosing the appropriate soil. Today we are planting in containers, so we decided to use a high-quality organic potting soil. First, we're going to plant our bush tomato. When you're ready to repot, you need to remove its container really carefully so you don't disturb the root system. So when you're digging the hole, you want to dig it a little bit deeper than the soil level the tomato is at in its original container. This way we can bury the stalk a little bit and allow roots to form, and that'll help the tomato establish itself a little bit better. Now that our tomatoes are planted, we're going to place a cage over them. This will add extra support, and it's easier to do it now when your tomatoes are smaller rather than when they're larger. So now that we've got our tomatoes settled into their cages, we're going to go ahead and water them. And when I first water them, I'm going to be adding an organic fertilizer. Remember that tomatoes are heavy feeders, so I've chosen to use the GARDENWORKS Organic Veggie Tomato Fertilizer. It's a 3-1-4, so it's got high nitrogen to get their green growth going. Now, I usually use this once a week. So we're all set now. It was just a few easy steps, and you're going to enjoy homegrown, delicious tomatoes all summer long.